Oh, hello everyone, Cynics here. Can you believe it's already been a year since Chroma Core? You might remember that things got a bit chaotic last year. Massive explosions, dimensional incursions, and the complete destruction of the Chroma Core Academy. What a mess. So I guess I just wanted to remind you all that Chroma Core is canceled this year, and every year. Sorry everyone, that's all. So just feel free to go ahead and exit the video now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We go. Hey everyone, Cynics here. Sorry about that, still getting everything sorted out. Anyway, things are a bit of a mess, but Chroma Core is back. A new year of the world's most challenging art contest has arrived. For those of you that might not know, Chroma Core is a giant online summer camp slash art contest where over 1,000 artists will compete to see who can become the last man standing. The entire experience will take place on our Chroma Core Discord server, which only stays open during the contest and then goes dormant for the rest of the year. But anyway, a link to that will be in the description below, so make sure to click there. And I'm just going to check my notes to make sure I cover everything. But there are, of course, two main parts to this art contest. The first is the entry phase, where anyone and everyone is welcome to submit an art piece depicting their very own Chroma Core cadet. Yes, I know it's the same prompt as the previous years, but consider it a chance to just kind of see how you've grown in a very direct way. You will have until 11:59 p.m., basically midnight, on July 14th to get your entry submitted to the Discord in the entries channel. There are no set guidelines for what your entry must look like. It can be done in any media. It can be fantasy or sci-fi, anime, realism, whatever. It can be an illustration or it can just be a simple character design. Any questions you might have about this will definitely be able to be answered on the Discord. After this phase, we have the second part, which is the selecting of the cadets. As alluded to, things got a bit chaotic last year, so we definitely have some rebuilding to do around the old Chroma Core campus. Construction is difficult, so I've been hiring some contractors to help me with this rebuilding. These contractors will be in charge of selecting teams of cadets from among all of the entries. Probably around 18 cadets will be selected, and then of those 18, they will be battling in daily art challenges until only one remains, hopefully. If they miss even one day, they're out. If they get 3 strikes from losing the daily challenges 3 times, then they're also out. The whole process can take as long as a month, but I'll be trying my best to speed it up. Regardless, it's a brutal schedule, so let's actually go back for a moment. Who are these contractors I've enlisted to select our cadets? Well, we have the marvelous modern-day James heading one team. The incomparable Ethan Becker will be heading another team. And finally, the splendid Sam Does Arts will be heading up our third team. That is the plan for now, but who knows how things might change. Anyway, I have no idea what type of entries each of them are going to be looking for, but it should be an interesting mix. I guess we'll find out soon enough. Of course, the last question that always needs to be answered is, what is the prize for winning? Officially, well, nothing. This contest is all about the love of art and the glory of community. I don't do it to make money or promote anything. There's no sponsors. And I like to keep everything very community oriented. No matter how much work I have to put in, we do it because it's fun. That being said, I'm sure I'll cobble together some type of random prizes for the winners, but that shouldn't be your real motivation. Although, speaking of community and cobbling things together, there will still be limited edition merch available for this year's contest, much like last year's. You can actually just click the store tab on my YouTube page, and that will actually take you to the merchandise. These are not really here for profit, so the prices are way lower than you're used to for any other merch, but don't worry, the quality's still great, I promise you. I'm just not taking a cut of profits because I just want everyone to be able to afford them, have access to them, basically just be able to get a nice keepsake for the event if you so choose. The theme this year is construction, So I designed this line of merch myself, and hopefully you enjoy it. All right, I think that's everything. Oh wait, I do need to mention when the contest starts, and it's started right now. The second this video went up, the Discord is open, everything's live. You can jump in there, reconnect with old friends, make new friends, have fun with art, rekindle some passion, just have a good time. Make some good art community strides, grow in your art, enjoy your art journey, and I look forward to seeing what kind of nonsense we get up to this time. So I'll see you in there. Good luck and see everyone.